Hello everyone, welcome to Design Hub. In Design Hub, we provide quality technical content related to the design industry using practical concepts. So, to upgrade yourself, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to get notified every time we drop a new video. This video will cover the nozzle design and its cutting. First of all, what is a nozzle? An opening in the pressure vessel is known as a nozzle, which allows fluid to enter or leave the pressure vessel. The nozzle typically extends from the surface of the pressure vessel, and has a means of joining pipes, or equipment at its end. You can see various positions of a nozzle on a pressure vessel in the chart. This pressure vessel contains two nozzles: inlet and outlet nozzle. First, we will design nozzle N1, which is inlet nozzle. You can see the dimensions of N1, that we will use. Also, let us see the dimensions of nozzle N2, which is outlet nozzle. Let us design the nozzle 1. The standard pipe dimension we will use comes under Schedule 120 and 12 inches of nominal pipe size. Let us make two concentric circles on the front plane. The outer diameter is equal to 323.80 millimeters. And, the inner diameter is equal to 273 millimeters. Extrude the sketch. And take the length of the nozzle 177 millimeters. Before nozzle cutting, a hole on the shell is made by oxy-fuel gas cutting. After that, the surface curve of one end of the nozzle is matched with the shell's inner surface curve. For that, we will sketch a circle on the right plane of 548 mm ID. Make vertex of N1 nozzle coincident with the circumference of the circle. And use an extrude cut command. Now, let us design nozzle 2. Follow the same procedure till sketching on the front plane, with the same dimension as nozzle 1. I am quickly going to sketch it. And use extrude command. Take the length of the nozzle equal to 148 millimeters. Now, make a circle on the top plane. Make a center line, to be able to use revolve cut command. And take the radius equal to the crown radius of the elliptical head. Which is 493.20 millimeters. Make vertex of N2 nozzle coincident with the circumference of the circle. Now, use the trim tool and cut unnecessary entities and turn the circle into a semicircle. Use the revolve cut command. And revolve the sketch about the center line. Now, you can see both the nozzles with their dimensions. Practice this nozzle cutting, and try to assemble an elliptical head and nozzles on the shell. Okay. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Until then, learn and grow.